This is Chinatown, a big complex here, Market City Shopping Center. So I'll go explore in a couple minutes. Looks like an entire block. Right across the street from it is this long wall, if you will. It's again Chinese. The area has everything Chinese. But I'd guess if you base the population on what I see when I run around downtown, about 60-70% of Sydney population is Asian. This is the inside of the market that I looked at, the long market. This is the food court, whatever that means, because it's filled with all kinds of shops. 3 floors full at least. And then there is a basement. Notice the elevators. If you can't get fat in Australia, you're not even trying. You got a place like this and all of the surrounding blocks of Chinatown just packed with little restaurants. That's absolutely everything. Not one bookstore have I seen except for a self-bookstore. And any kind of everything is sold. And the irony is stuff here is more expensive than the United States. And yet the dollar is about almost the same as the Australian dollar. Probably about a 15% differential at this point. That thing has been closing rapidly apparently since I've been gone. This is the way it's merchandised with pictures. Even a gringo like me can figure it out. We're in the food court now. This is just one quarter of it. Thank you.